Hi, students. I just wanted to let you know that for homework this week, you're going to have to do a Canvas discussion. Now, in my class, we've never done a Canvas discussion before, so I want you to see how that's done. So it's already posted in Canvas, so what you're going to do is you're going to go to your modules, and you're going to go down to Module 6, which is the new module for this week. I've already posted the goals and the homework. So this is the discussion, your opinions about Oakland and the Bay Area. Okay, so you're going to click on that, and here's the discussion. And it's not really a discussion, it's writing to other students. So it's almost like an email, okay? You're not talking, you're writing. So here's what I want you to do. I want you to give your opinions of Oakland and the Bay Area using at least 5 superlative adjectives. You can talk about restaurants, stores, neighborhoods, parks, schools, anything you want. For example, you can write about what is the cheapest store to buy clothes in Oakland, or where are the restaurants that have the most delicious food in Oakland, or what is the prettiest park in the Bay Area. So these are just some examples. You don't have to use these questions. You can use, you can talk about other opinions, but I want you to use 5 superlative adjectives. You can talk about any of these things. You don't have to talk about Oakland. If you live in Richmond or Emeryville or San Leandro, that's fine. Any place in the Bay Area. You can talk about San Francisco if you want, okay? And I also want you to give your opinion when you're giving the superlative adjectives. So there are several ways to give your opinion about Oakland and the Bay Area. You could say, I think, I believe, in my opinion, from my point of view, if you ask me. So use these several expressions in your discussion post, okay? And then in the United States, it's always good to give a reason for your opinion. You just don't want to say, oh, pizza is is the best food, right? You want to give a reason. So for example, from my point of view, so this starts my opinion, Laney College is the most interesting college. Okay, so here's my superlative in Oakland, because here's my reason. It has great ESOL teachers. So in your post, you're going to do these 3 things. You're going to give your opinion, you're going to use some superlative adjectives, and you're going to give reasons for your opinion. Also, what you're going to do is respond to 2 classmates. So after you post your opinions about Oakland with your superlatives, you're going to read the other students in the class opinions, and you're going to answer them, just like in an email, okay? What do you think about their opinions? They said they really like this park, or they really love this neighborhood, or they really, the best place to go in Oakland is Lake Merritt. What do you think about that? Do you agree? Do you disagree? You respond to 2 other people in the class. Now, the discussion is worth 20 points, okay? You'll be graded on your use of superlative adjectives and other grammar, and your use of expressions and reasons. And you have to respond to 2 students, so that's worth 5 points too. If you want to see the rubric that I'm going to use to grade you, go up to the top here and click on these 3 dots, and it says Show Rubric. Show Rubric, and here are the points. So superlative and adjectives and grammar is worth 10 points. Opinion expressions like I believe, I think, in my opinion, that's worth 5 points if you use a few of those. And when you respond to 2 other classmates, that's worth 5 points also, okay? So this is posted on Canvas now. You can start the discussion this weekend. It's due on October 1st, which is next Thursday, okay? Have a good weekend, and I'll see you on Tuesday.